So guys, first come to gigabyte.com. You can see here www.gigabyte.com. Then here search button, hit and type your model number of your motherboard, then hit then product, and then click to title of your model number. Click on support. Select your operating system. So select any operating system. This is installations process, and you can watch this video and install any operating system through driver. VLAN means guys Wi-Fi driver, so you can see this is latest. So click to download. Then open, just double click. Yes. Then close it.